Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app. In this video, I will show you on how to link your Taobao address with your Xianyu Chinese shopping app for easy shopping and adding of address issue with Xianyu. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu app. So I'm going to click on here now. The next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. The next thing you need to do is to click on here. So the next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed. Then click on here to proceed. Then click on here to proceed. Then click on here to proceed. And in a few seconds, then click on here. And you have all address from Taobao successfully imported into your Xianyu address right here. Then you can go ahead and use any of the address right here to make your shopping, provided that the address is what you have been using to purchase cheap products from Taobao without any stress. It's that simple. So this is how to import your Taobao info address into your Xianyu Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship import products from China using Xianyu Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.